Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 FUTURECAST.
All right, heat humidity continues. You can see the temperatures on the lower right-hand side of your TV set, upper 80s, even low 90s, along with high humidity. Take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, and you see a line of storms, which are out across essentially western Massachusetts and out towards western Connecticut. These are all tracking off to the east and northeast at about 15 to 25 miles per hour. So more than likely our northwestern suburbs. Now I'm thinking sometime after, say, 7 o'clock this evening, north and west of Providence. Some of these in a weakened state will try to work in, but at this point it's more the exception rather than the rule, as a lot of these will tend to weaken. That's certainly one of the byproducts of heat and humidity, the other being poor air quality. So as we mentioned earlier, the ozone alert has been reissued for tomorrow through tomorrow evening. A combination of the heat, the humidity, and high concentrations of ground level ozone will make the air quality certainly poor. So respiratory sensitive people and certainly young children always need to be mindful of these situations. I want to take a look at, well, first of all, the weather headlines and what I'm tracking as we switch back over to our other computer now. And it looks like another day of heat and humidity. It'll be working in for tomorrow afternoon. Now we're talking about temperatures that are going to top out in the upper 80s to lower 90s, and with that will come the poor air quality. Now the humidity will stay with us really all week long, though I don't anticipate every day being 90. In fact, by Wednesday we'll probably cool to the upper 80s. But it's an unsettled weather pattern, as we'll see in the 7-day FUTURECAST. Each day there's the chance of at least a passing shower or thunderstorm. So while each day is not a washout, the risk is there, and the chances actually increase as we get later into the work week and by the weekend as far as any showers or some thunderstorms. And temperatures will be warm this week. 89 now in Providence, still 90 in Taunton, low 80s along the South Shore. The official high temperature today up to 92. We missed the record by a couple of degrees. Now you see the storms off to our north and west. And again, north and west of Providence between 7 and 9 o'clock this evening, that risk of a passing shower or thunderstorm. FUTURECAST shows this at around 7 o'clock this evening. A few of these weakening. Then overnight tonight, it'll just be kind of warm, sultry, and muggy. Definite air conditioner kind of night with temperatures that'll stay in the 70s all night long. Another hot one coming up for tomorrow in the lower 90s. Small risk of a thunderstorm very late in the day, but essentially a rain-free day. Same deal for Wednesday. Upper 80s, high humidity, slight risk of a thunderstorm. The chances do increase Thursday and especially Friday. We don't see 90-degree heat anymore in the lower 80s along with high humidity. And right now the weekend has the risk of both scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday. Does not look like the weekend is a washout, but the risk is there in this kind of weather pattern that's setting up. I mean, really feeling like summer this week. The humidity will be very high all week, and temperatures at least in the lower to middle 80s each afternoon and 60s and 70s at night. I know you see a lot of raindrops and thunderbolts on that 7-day FUTURECAST, but it doesn't necessarily mean that each day is a washout. It just means that the risk of a passing thunderstorm is there. Another hot one for tomorrow, though.
Better than snow. All right, thanks, Tony. More coverage.